Hey there! Have you ever looked at your auto insurance policy and thought, what does all this jargon actually mean? Well, if you drive a car, understanding your insurance coverage isn't just smart, it's essential. So today, let's break down two of the most important types. Liability comprehensive coverage. I'll keep it simple and show you exactly why you need both. First up, liability coverage. This is the part of your policy that covers the costs if you're at fault in an accident and someone else gets hurt or their property gets damaged. It's broken into two main chunks: bodily injury liability, property damage liability. Let's say your policy reads 100-350. What does that mean? The first number, $100,000, is the maximum your insurance will pay for injuries to one person in an accident you caused. The second number, $300,000, is the total it'll cover for all injuries in that single accident. And the third, $50,000, covers property damage, like if you wreck someone's car or fence. Why does this matter? Well, if accident bills go over those limits, you're stuck paying the rest out of your own pocket. Having higher limits means more protection for your assets, your house, your savings, basically your peace of mind. But what about your car? That's where comprehensive coverage comes in. This coverage isn't about accidents with other cars. It's about pretty much everything else. Theft, vandalism, fire, hail, hitting a deer. If something unexpected happens to your car and it's not your fault, comprehensive is your backup plan. Here's how the deductible works. Let's say you have a $500 deductible. That means if your car is damaged in a hailstorm and it costs $2,000 to repair, you pay $500 and your insurance covers the other $1,500. You pick your deductible when you buy your policy. Higher deductibles usually mean lower monthly payments, but you'll pay more out of pocket if something happens. So why do you need both? Liability is required by law in most states. It protects others from your mistakes. But comprehensive? That protects you from the unexpected, saving you from big repair bills or even replacing your car if it's stolen. In short, liability coverage keeps you legal and shields your finances if you cause an accident. Comprehensive coverage keeps your ride and your wallet safe from all kinds of surprises. And don't forget to check those coverage limits and deductibles. A little extra protection can go a long way when life throws you a curveball. Drive safe and thanks for watching.